Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. So in today's video we are casting for James Charles' new reality competition show, and yeah, I'm just gonna give it a try. Hopefully I make it. But anyway, if you guys are just watching me for the very first time, my name is Catherine and I am from New Jersey, originally from Colombia, raised and born in Colombia, in Cali. And yeah, I am pretty old. I'm kidding. I'm 34, 35. I lost count. After 30 you really stop counting. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about myself, and my story basically starts in Colombia, which is where I was born. And I had a pretty great childhood there, and I always just wanted to be like a model, an actress, a singer. I loved makeup, I loved fashion. And one day my mom decided to come to the United States to give us more opportunities and a better life. So she left me in the care of my family in Colombia. And while I was there, I went through some really horrible things, just things that no child should have to go through. So finally, my mom was able to bring me over to the States about a year or two later. And once I got here, it was hard also because I didn't know English, and my mom had to work 3 jobs and she was never home, and it was really hard for me. I was bullied at school for not knowing English, and I just remember I would go to sleep and just like pray to God that one day I would be able to make something big of myself, and I would promise my mom that one day I was gonna buy her a big mansion and I was gonna be able to take care of her, and I was gonna take, you know, her pain away, and I just would love to be able to do that for her, for my daughter, for myself. So in 2015 I had this crazy idea of uploading a dance recital video to YouTube, because I just thought that was going to be the video that, you know, was going to blow up, and this was it. We were going to make it. And to this day, that video has over 500,000 views, and it is the most watched video on our channel. So we were doing really well. And then basically came my downfall. I started to really use Instagram a lot, and I was picking myself apart, and this was the time where everyone was kind of going crazy getting fillers, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get some fillers. I'm gonna get my lips done. I already naturally had big lips to begin with, but I decided like this is what I want to do, so I'm gonna do it. I did it, and this doctor completely botched my face. So after he botched my face, I posted to Instagram, and I received the worst comments that I had ever received in my entire life. I was getting called like orangutan, gorilla, is she a man, is she a woman, just horrible names that I would never even dream of saying to my worst enemy. And after that, I just kind of went downhill from there. I stopped making videos, I stopped making content. My confidence really just, I didn't have any. I had no confidence like whatsoever. It was horrible. I stopped uploading to YouTube, and that really stopped our growth on Instagram and on YouTube. And finally, after I kind of got everything fixed, a few years, like a year or two later, when I came back, the algorithms had changed, and it's just so hard to even get your content seen now. So I've been really struggling the last couple of years, but it's something that I love to do, so I continue to try. Anyway, after all of those struggles, finally for the past year or so, I have been feeling like myself again. I have been uploading and just really really trying my very best. I love doing makeup, I love anything to do with art, and I would just love this opportunity to make my family proud, make my daughter proud, turn this horrible year around, because it has been a tough year, let me tell you guys. I'm so sorry, I don't want to get emotional. It's just been like so many things. It's been such a hard year. I do computers and I always get told to just like stick with computers, but I love doing makeup and I would love to do what I love for the rest of my life. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that I'm getting emotional and ending this video on like a weird note, but yeah, I also feel like it would be amazing to see more Latina representation or Latino representation in the community, and yeah, I would love to show everyone that your age doesn't matter, your background doesn't matter, and I would just love the chance to go on this adventure, and get outside of my comfort zone, because I am a homebody, okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for watching. Please, please, please tag James and just share this video, give the video a big thumbs up and comment so that the video gets recommended and seen by James. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.